Assalamualaikum, Ramzan Mubarak to all you guys. This is Femida here and you watching Non-Veg Indian Cuisine channel in Ramzan special series. Today's recipe is mutton parcel. So please do try this recipe and let me know also. So for mutton parcels, here I have taken mutton steaks. Now I'm seasoning these mutton steaks with little bit of salt, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of green chili paste, a teaspoon of raw papaya paste would go in, followed by some dry spices like a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder and a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now half of the lemon juice would go in. Now give it a quick mix and let this meat marinate for at least half an hour. In the meanwhile, in a parat or in a mixing bowl, here I have taken a cup of all-purpose flour. Now I am seasoning this flour with a little bit of salt, a tablespoon of oil. Now rub the salt and the oil into the flour. And gradually add water and knead a soft but stiff dough. Now once it's done, let the dough rest for nearly half an hour. Now after half an hour, knead the dough. Take a small portion and roll out the small portion into a round sheet or into a square sheet. Now cut the edges. You can see in the video how I am doing. Now here you got the square sheet. Now cut the square sheet in between. Now take one sheet and apply little water on the edges. Now stuff one piece of steak with one onion ring and little bit of fresh coriander leaves would go in on the corner of the sheet. You can see in the video. Now fold the sheet and gently press the edges. Now mark cuts and make design or make parcels like this. Fold the corner, gently press the edges and mark long cuts with a knife. Now again give it a fold and press gently. And now our parcel is ready to go into fryer. Now here I am repeating the process. Please do watch and try this. Guys, here I am using uncooked meat for stuffing and it really turned out good. But if you do not want to use uncooked meat, just dry up the meat or just cook the meat in a saucepan. And once the meat becomes dries up completely, just use that meat in the stuffing. It will also turn out good. Or you can give any shape to the parcel, or you can give any design to the parcel. Here I am giving the easiest shape to the parcels because this video which I shoot was at the iftar time. So I was in hurry and I gave the easiest shape to the parcel. Now the parcels are ready to go into fryer. Deep fry in hot oil over a low flame. Now once they become golden brown, remove out in a serving dish and serve hot with tomato ketchup. So guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching my video and stay with me for many more recipes in Ramzan special series. So until next video, bye, see you, Allah Hafiz, दुआ में याद रखें.